Today, you will learn how to screenshot on HP laptop without Windows key or print screen button. First, click the Start button at the bottom of your screen, then type Snipping Tool in the search box. When you see Snipping Tool in the search results, click it to open the app. Now, click the New button and your screen will become slightly darker. You can now use your mouse to click and drag around the area you want to capture. When you release the mouse button, Windows will capture that selected area and open the screenshot in Snipping Tool. You can then make simple edits if you want, or you can save the screenshot. To save it, click the Save button at the top, choose where you want to save the image, give it a name, and click Save. If you want to capture the entire screen instead, open Snipping Tool, choose the Full Screen option, and take the screenshot. You can also capture a specific window by choosing the Window option and then clicking the window you want to capture. Another important thing to know is that Windows also provides the Windows key plus Shift plus S shortcut for opening the Snipping Tool capture overlay. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.